How na day? We thank God say we still there alive. You know the last time I promised them say we go bring this program again.
Let's see your swag now. Extra large chicky. Extra large chicky, baby. Today you're hot.
My sister. Na extra large now.
Okay.
What you do?
I hope your husband is not watching.
No let her know. They tell us too much.
Because there's one bros that gave me
I'm not as I dey talk.
Okay.
Make much no do me wayo. I don't want wahala.
We didn't say anything.
You know, say anytime you see extra large chiquito, you go dey think which menu she bring come today.
Abi.
She won't cook. What be her get? But today now we dey studio.
Abi.
And today we no cook anything, but we go still chop.
Chop.
How that one won't happen?
A person they chop when no they cook.
I don't understand.
Bebembe.
I go stand there for one side like this. Allow Madam Moji make she explain what we want to do today. Oh yeah.
Well, my people. Today we are going natural. We are going green, and we are just talking about how to keep healthy. You know, say sometimes we day you go get like occasion. This one now for women, men. Stop watching. You go get events. Maybe you get like a birthday or wedding or something.
We won't set
especially for we the plus size. If you are slimmer than us, you are too slim.
You are too slim.
Anyways, that's off the camera. So you have this nice dress you want to wear, and things are not just falling in shape. What am I going to do? You've gone on the treadmill, jogged, did everything, is not working. Okay, so this one is going to work for you. If you have an event coming up, you can take this every day for 7 days. It's going to do the magic. I have tried it many times. And apart from that, we are talking about immunity. You know, many times when we talk about immunity, people don't really understand what they say. Immunity. Let me just put it in the as in the hot language. Come down to our level, maybe we explain them. Immunity be like say you carry bodyguard. You know, say I thought well. You can't carry that big. You know those big men where we say their chest like this. You carry them, put for your domot. If any rubbish boy or any area boy go enter your gate, as they see them for your gate like this, they go respect themselves. You understand? Now, so immunity day. If you don't get good immune system, your immunity level they high for inside your body. Any kind disease, sickness, you know go they fall you down anyhow. If you don't know whether the thing where they talk na true or been a lie, you go see say inside people will get HIV now. No be say na HIV they kill them. Now because their immunity system don't they low. So ordinary boil go affect them, then go fall sick. Mosquito bite go do them, then go fall sick. Headache, then go fall sick. Any small sickness. So it dey okay, make person dey build in immune system so that you no go just dey fall sick. Number 3 thing where this thing we won't prepare today they do for body be say it go detoxify your system.
Free your system of all
the free radical, all those things where they your system. As you chop this thing we won't prepare today. All that yama you go comot for your body, you go dey healthy, you go dey kampe. You know say extra large na about eating healthy, living healthy. We go dey farm easy and we still dey make money. Na so we dey do am for extra large. So make we just continue as we dey talk today. We get some bebe. Look at this one. Some people they watch they never see wetin dem dey call white carrot. You see am? It's a family of radish. We grow this at extra large farms. Now, this one is, I don't know, is the highest antioxidant I have ever seen. You know what this does to your system?
Tell me.
Imagine that, which area I want to talk for Lagos. So, Lagos Island, Eko Market, Eko Dumota, Gongon, you know. Imagine that they fight for that place, they throw banger, they do everything, area boys, you know. Somebody just call police, say police, so then they fight for here, make you come arrest them. You know, say as police come for that place, they're not going to say who they fight, who caused the fight. They go just carry everybody, throw tear gas, everything to just ensure, say, peace day for that place. Now the work where this thing they do be that.
The white carrot.
Anything where they give you uneasiness for your body is now in that they call disease now.
So.
They say somebody get disease. Now be say in body no dey easy. So you can't call this police. May you come
help you
enforce peace
for
inside
your
your body. So me, I don't know the sickness where they work for. I don't know where the one where you know they work for. All I know be say anything where they cause disease for your body, this one will come enforce peace. Now, so person they use them for this sickness. I don't want to mention too much. We don't hear many testimonies for extra large. Somebody go say use them for eye problem.
It work.
It they work. Somebody say in back the pain. It they work.
Arthritis.
Somebody say get arthritis. It they work. Stroke people then they use them. It they work. Rheumatism, asthma, and as it be, it's sweet like pineapple, but it pepper like chili. As one day my hand like this, you know, fit chop and finish. So, but today, you know, we are putting so many things together. We have the white carrot, we get our ginger, we get our lemon, not lime. Then we have our garlic. You see, as it dey hot today, na that level we dey go. Make you build your immune system, make you dey strong. Any kind of sickness don't go dey fall you down.
Yeah, tell us which
how we go start.
We
start from our white carrot. We go carry and go tap. Wash them under running water.
With the leaf.
With the leaf. You know, say today, this carrot, they go inside blender. The leaf, it go follow blender. And go. The lemon, we go just remove only this peel. Every other thing, including the seed inside, they enter inside. The ginger, they enter inside. Garlic, they enter inside. Everything, we just put water, we blend them, we don't finish.
And we drink her. And the work don't start.
Oh.
I don't feel wait.
Okay.
We wash now, ba?
So may we wash. Okay, so this one, you go they cut the
lemon.
The lemon. You go just cut them to 4. Maybe we wash out first. You go just cut them into 4. Then we go remove all those things. May I go they wash the white carrot.
Extra large foods, 100% natural food products. Extra large meal, just like pounded yam. Extra large ofada rice. Extra large plantain flour. Extra large beans flour. Extra large honey beans. Extra large fine gari. Extra large palm oil. Extra large groundnut oil. Absolutely cholesterol free. Extra large smoked fish. Extra large beefy. Extra large locust beans. Extra large aromatic pepper. The list goes on and on and on. Visit www.extralargegoodies.com or chat 0818-220-5553 or 0909-093-8486.
Some people go, they say, this one they worry me, that one they worry me. This one a God gift, oh. You know they happen for here.
How many may I cut? One, don't do it.
All the 4, you go cut everything. If you feel try, they drink this thing once in a week, like every weekend. They okay, oh. They very okay. No yama sickness. How much then they sell garlic? How much then they sell ginger? Now only this white carrot I know say if you give person problem to find. But it come extra large. Visit our website. You go see the numbers where they display for your screen. You go see everything for there. So we they wash this one. Everything go inside blender now. Okay. I don't cut the. I don't wash this one. Finish. All this thing now. You go cut all the leaf. Somebody they watch for there say which one be white carrot again. White carrot na radish. Oh. And this one na organic one for extra large. As I said, as they see this thing where they my hand, we know they take fertilizer, grow them. We know they put anything, no pesticide, nothing. So that it go dey 100% natural. You go do the work where be say, you yourself, you go dey fear. Some people, you know, I don't know as your own stomach be, but some people when they use this thing, they go toilets. Then go purge. Then go purge. So I don't cut the leaf, put inside.
Now they put the lemon.
And they come more. See the white carrot. You know, say now the leaf there inside here. All this lemon now. See how we go do them. Now to just if you feel cut this part, come on. So me just remove that. So me I go to cut the white carrot. May we just cut and may it not be too big for the blender, so that it not go spoil that blender. Somebody say me I no get blender for my house, so as it dey hot, no problem. If you no get blender for your house, carry this thing put for your mortar. Shebi you get pound down. Somebody say I no get my mortar. Sure you get what did they call this thing? You know that traditional stone?
Olo.
My sister. You know, say some people these Instagram days now they go they pretend like say.
Let me body.
God know your address. So. Carry your olo, put am. Shebi you know that village style as we they do the olden days. If you don't get blender, no problem. In fact, you fit even use grater. That one where they use to they do okra. You fit put am, grate am. Our leaf, our carrot, our lemon. Everything is coming inside.
Now the one that was not the chew.
When you
white carrot.
When you feel like taking ice cream, take this one. Let's see. So this is our ginger. You can see it's really much. You can see a handful of ginger and garlic. But you can see it's really much. In fact, I can even put more. In fact, we finish everything. Yes. So we are going to put water.
Get the freshness, quality, and natural taste of a variety of extra large foods in one pack. Extra large food basket, 100% natural. Eat healthy, live healthy. Order now on www.extralargegoodies.com or click the button below.
Put a lot. Yes. You can put up to 2. Okay. Yes, we are ready to go.
Yeah, make way.
If you can try and take this at least once in a week, in fact, you will know what is happening to your system. You will feel very light. Or in fact, you won't be falling sick anyhow. Yes. Like we said, if somebody doesn't have blender, you can pour in your, it may not give you this smooth texture, but at least you would have blended it. So in case you don't have blender, you can use your mortar. If you use your olo, that stone, traditional stone. Forget all this Instagram preference, you. All of us know where they come from. Can you smell something?
I can. I can.
It's almost ready. You can see. Yes, our wonder mixture is ready.
Ready. Make I do that first.
You know, just smelling this.
Because I cannot wait.
I'm already feeling healthy, even without drinking. I'm already feeling healthy. Children can drink it, adults can drink it. All the people that have aged parents, prepare this, take this to your parents. You know, your children can take it. Everybody can take it.
Wow.
Let's see.
See? Very easy.
You may add more water.
Yeah, I ask you, what about the pregnant ones? People will get belly. They fit take this mixture.
They fit take them. You know, say all these things sometimes. If you sick, you no treat yourself well as a pregnant woman. That sickness go enter that baby body. You go see say sometimes they go say children get jaundice, they get this, they get that because the mama they get malaria, they get everything, no treat them. Now in the cause. So pregnant woman fit take them. Now only be say pregnant woman fit no take all these sides. If you take just small, you know say then now their body it get as it be. So
then the children. How many scoops? Even
from babies, they fit take them. 2 years, 5 years, all those people they can take like 3 spoons. But any child from 6 years up, they can take like a third of this cup. Oh. Anybody from 10 years old fit finish a whole cup. You know they do best in anyhow. This one no get overdose. So as it be now, I don't do ready. No big deal at all.
May I even ask you, this one as it is, so yes. Person fit chill am, like put her inside fridge.
Yeah, you fit chill am. If you like, you fit put ice cubes inside. If you like, you fit put mortar. You see now, this our own. It dey thick well. You see am. You see am. If you like, you fit put small water. May I put water? Make them see. You fit put water. Say may it dey more. So you go mix am. You go put am. But me, as I dey drink am, I dey like to dey sip am with straw. I go just dey.
But I know say
I could just enjoy.
Oh yeah, now my people for house.
Make I gist you one funny thing. I get one day where I go greet my son for university. Now so I get to their hall. Now so the boy say, then they talk to another person. Say, hey guy, you get one fine baby. Now our friend mama be that if you gonna drink this kind of thing, it gonna make person the day young. If you see my sister like enter chiki. No be
yam now.
Maybe not talk to mama. Maybe do something.
Everybody for house.
Come and join us.
Wow.
It's not sweet, but it's not bitter.
Now they drink so. My people for house, don't forget, extra large farms, we they do everything possible to do anything to make you live healthy, eat well, live well, and at the same time, make cool cash. Go visit all our social media handles.
Yes.
All of this recipe,
yes.
You go see them there.
Yes.
Till we come your way again. Next time, my darling sister.
As it dey
hot.
Extra large foods, 100% natural food products. Extra large meal, just like pounded yam. Extra large of fada rice. Extra large plantain flour. Extra large beans flour. Extra large honey beans. Extra large fine gari. Extra large palm oil. Extra large groundnut oil. Absolutely cholesterol free. Extra large smoked fish. Extra large beefy. Extra large locust beans. Extra large aromatic pepper. The list goes on and on and on. Visit www.extralargegoodies.com or chat 0818 220 5553 or 0909 093 8486.
We don come today, oh my people, for extra large kitchen. Today no be cooking we wan do at all. Na eating competition. You see this ogbonge big men wey dey here, they wan dismantle this food here. Today make una come see who go win this show. I will hand over to my colleague here, Farmer Sanusi, make she help us do the counting. Over to you.
Now the counting we wan do now, my people. We wan look at the person wey go carry first among these people. Now I start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
wow,
25, 26.
This is serious, so who is going to win?
31, 32, 33.
Who go be our winner?
Get the freshness, quality, and natural taste of a variety of extra large foods in one pack. Extra large food basket, 100% natural. Eat healthy, live healthy. Order now on www.extralargegoodies.com or click the button below.
Extra large.
44, 45, 46,
He go finish am so.
48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 50.
Extra large don win, oh.
55, 56.
Wow.
59, 60.
Large foods, 100% natural food products. Extra large meal, just like pounded yam. Extra large of fada rice. Extra large plantain flour. Extra large beans flour. Extra large honey beans. Extra large fine gari. Extra large palm oil. Extra large groundnut oil. Absolutely cholesterol free. Extra large smoked fish. Extra large beefy. Extra large locust beans. Extra large aromatic pepper. The list goes on and on and on. Visit www.extralargegoodies.com or chat 0818 220 5553 or 0909 093 8486.
As you don't see and say, if you not be for extra large, you can never be extra large. Not be size, not be as he be, but as the person will be say, now the blood gone, now he extra large day. My brother, Wetin, na only you waka come? Why you come waka come up for stage?
No be like that. I see the spirit wey enter in belle. That spirit big.
Hey.
As I look that food, I say Baba God, man waka, man just change
So
paro.
my people, if you no be for extra large, it can never be extra large. Please, I wan hand over to my sister. Make it do the gift. Abeg, thank you.
In fact, extra large, you don't do us proud though. And on behalf of Extra Large Farms, I won't give you this ogbonge gift. Say you no fall our hand. I need make you tell us how you do the miracle wey you just do now when you finish that food quick.
I just dey chop, I just dey eat am well, just dey go down well.
It just dey seme dey go down.
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations.